Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I have a new video for you where I've compiled all of my favorite highlights from this holiday season. Hope you enjoy this video and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to make the peppermint tart. So these are the ingredients. Okay, while you screenshot that, go ahead and lay all your tennis biscuits and pour some lemon juice on top of them before doing any other thing as I did here. You see, they look weird because they have lemon juice on them, but they taste really nice once they're done. Grate your chocolates and then take your cream and whip it real good. Like whip it. Get an electric whisk. I need to get that. Yeah, I think I need an electric whisk. My life will be so much easier. So whip the cream and then add the chocolates and caramel in there once it's all foamy and all. And then take the mixture of chocolates, caramel, and what else is in there? Okay, chocolate, caramel, and cream. The chocolate must be really grated. See, looks not very interesting, but it's really nice. Add a bit of lemon juice in there as well. And then layer it. So you're going to put a layer of this, add a layer of biscuits again, put a layer of this, add biscuits, layer of this, add biscuits until everything is done. And grate a bit of the biscuit and chocolate for your top layer. See, it's very cute and nice. Enjoy. Yon dem karisa go be insist. Ah, tu lambi le pets. Ça tu lambi. Apa? Yeah, it is. Okay, I'll put it. I'll put my things then think I'll be slam. Sasa pesa ziyafu. Hawu ufuna ungida nami. Hayibo. Mi. Manje. Awuboni kanti?